Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Oshitaka mushrooms in Kid Smashes Dishwasher because he didn't want to do dishes. Mom Cries original. I'm sure everybody here has already seen it, but I'm going to react to it anyway. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Don't post that on YouTube!
I hate elevators, guys. Hate elevators. Because Leon always jumps in them. Always. We're going in. Do not jump. I swear to God, if you jump, I'm gonna freak out. Alright, we're going to the second level. Okay, do not jump, Leland. Don't jump. God, dang it, don't jump! Like I said, guys, I hate elevators. Because of you. You freak me out every time. Alright, so here we are hanging out today at the Cheesecake Factory. And we sat pretty much at the same spot. It might have been that next table down where we sat last time, pretty close to where we were sitting again. But Leland choked on a corn dog here the last time we were here. So Leland, you see that building right there? Hold on, there's a glare. Okay, you can see the windows. There's a big condo building there next to us. That's where Donovan Mitchell lives.
No way,
He lives in City Creek.
Jazz right now.
Yeah, go Jazz, huh? They won last night, so yay. Alright, guys, why are we here today?
I don't know. Cheesecake Factory. I honestly don't know.
You don't know? Alright, Carol, why are we here?
Celebrate the end of school.
Yeah.
My Mother's Day gift.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I gave Carol a gift card to come in here at the Cheesecake Factory.
Oh, shit.
I did. I actually did something useful. Okay, so we got the appetizer, chips, guacamole. Look at all that guacamole.
It's huge.
It's huge. It's like an entire cereal bowl of guacamole. Alright, so I'm gonna ask the kids, what are their summer goals for this year? Leland, what is your summer goal? Like, what do you want to do or accomplish this summer?
Get my motorcycle fixed and
You already broke it.
and maybe get some achievements on video games. Maybe get a tan. Maybe get it like a tan.
Oh, there you go, get a tan.
I'm very pale. So.
Well, wearing a hoodie and a sweatshirt isn't going to help you get a tan.
I know.
Alright, Leanna, what do you want to accomplish this summer?
I want to try and read more and to also practice on art.
Okay.
Really?
And for me, I just want one normal summer. Leland got the pizza. He didn't dare to.
When he said he wanted one normal summer, I had to laugh. Sorry, I wasn't doing it to be mean. I was just thinking it was funny, that's all. Sorry about that, everybody. And sorry for causing the camera to shake when I was laughing. Sorry about that, my bad.
Leland didn't dare to try to eat the corn dogs again.
He looks different now.
Yeah.
If you check on this,
That's my food. Oh my gosh, Leland's trying the corn dog again. Okay, 4 bites, remember? No, don't joke. That was scary last night. That was scary. How is it? Oh, London has it.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yummy.
Alright, we're just getting out. That was a really good lunch, huh, guys? So, yeah, Leland, this building here, that's where he lives. Wait, should we get you a bike like what that guy has? Huh. Get Leland a bike like that. So that's pretty cool. All these cars are lined up. There's actually a Chick-fil-A drive-thru here. I had no idea. Here at City Creek Center. So you can just grab Chick-fil-A on the go. Here in downtown, I had no idea they had a drive-thru. Oh, we got a long line of cars here. This Chick-fil-A, I think, is at the base of this whole office building here. I think there's a Chick-fil-A store right there.
Hey, there's like a Disney, like mini Mickey Mouse.
So yeah, so the employee brings the food out. That's pretty cool, and then they just give to the people there the cars. That's a cool service. I had no idea they did any of that here. You see the train? Choo-choo. And it's gonna go right under us. There it is. Oh, is it going under us? Yeah. It stopped.
This side of the mall kind of
There's the fountain. So I think every 20 minutes or so, they do like a fountain show. So there's like fire that shoots out of it as well. It's like something you see in Las Vegas. So they do like a fountain show, and then there's fire that shoots out of it as well.
I'm assuming those are the fire.
Usually I can't film those because they play music and I get copyrighted. I'm going to take a picture of Carol next to Tiffany's and Company. Oh wait, you know what? True story. I got in trouble in London because I tried to take a picture of Carol years ago. Yeah, and the security person told me, "You're not allowed to take any pictures. Get the hell out of here." Basically.
Yeah.
Good times. I was like, what, 26 years old?
Before you had us monsters.
Before I had you monsters. I mean, God, if they kicked, so if they kicked me out for wanting to take a picture, imagine how they would react now with him. All right, Leland, so how was your day at the mall?
Good. Yeah.
Spent a few hours here. That's pretty cool.
Match my helmet.
Yeah. Anyways, all right, so I think we're going to be heading home now. We'll just pretty much walk around the entire mall.
Yeah.
So it's fun. Alright guys, so we're back from City Creek Center. Had a nice, spent a nice day in downtown Salt Lake City. Now we're back home in the country. What? Seriously? Taking trash in the playground. So anyway, yeah, so first week of the kids being out of school. Leland has officially graduated elementary school. So congratulations to Leland. So I'm going to do a barbecue. I think I'm going to do some barbecue chicken. That sounds really good. So I'm going to get that started. Guys, so we're back home. It's another day.
Do the dishes.
What?
Do the dishes.
Well, actually, it's your turn to do the dishes. But we're going to do dinner first. What are we having for dinner today?
There's one thing.
Oh,
Chicken legs.
we're having chicken.
Chicken legs.
Chicken legs.
Chicken legs. Chicken leg. Oh.
So we're gonna have your face out. All right, so we're gonna have barbecue chicken.
Is this good?
And so while Carol was preparing on that, Leela and I earlier, we actually did a gaming video. A new game we've never played before called Knockout City. So Leela's a fan of it. Leela, what do you think of Knockout City? It's amazing. Okay. So I'm in the process of trying to save that on the computer. And then once we have this file saved, I'll be able to pull it up. But look how slow it is. It takes forever, guys. Like, it's only at 1%. It's like 1 frame per second. And it's a 41-minute video. But once we get that up, guys, I'll have a link, hopefully. And you can check it out on our gaming channel, Oshitaka Mushroom Gaming.
You can just put an infinite amount of salt so that you can film at this right time.
Yeah, look at that.
I'm sure they finally got it uploaded. Well, of course they did. They have it on their gaming channel, of course, but sorry about that, everybody, for saying that, but sorry about that, everybody. Give me 1 minute, I'll be right back. Sorry about that, everybody. I had to take care of something. I'm back now. Let's get back to the video.
We got some salt there. Okay, thank you, Kel. Alright, Leanne, I need your other pool. I need you to help sweep. How's the swimming pool?
It's cold now, but when I got it, because of the pool cover, it heats it up. It was actually kind of hot.
Oh, nice. Alright, so I need you to sweep.
Sorry, I had an itch in my nose, and I was getting rid of the itch without touching it by doing this. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
I can't. I'm wearing goggles.
Oh, okay. We'll take the goggles off. Hey, Leland, clean the table. And I'm gonna get ready to grill here.
The main one.
What are you doing up there?
Oh, I know. This?
Now, sometimes I wonder, why do we have cupboards way up here?
That was they look nice.
I can't even reach them. Like, okay.
Just the McDonald's.
Okay, I'm 6'1", guys. I'm the tallest person in this family. Even I have a hard time reaching. Got the Happy Meals again. Dang it, Leland.
To reach that.
You and your Happy Meal stack.
Dad, Rudy, go. Hey, shut up.
You guys be nice to each other. Yeah, so just sweep all that. Look at all that. There's a table there. Sweep that, and then Leland, come here. I need you to. Actually, sweep. Clear off the table. Clean the table. It's dirty. Alright, so I'm gonna get grilling here. Are these ready for me to put in the grill?
Yeah, don't touch me.
Leland,
That's already cooked.
it's not cooked. The chicken is not cooked. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to. Can't wait until after dinner when Leland can just do these dishes.
What are you doing?
Careful of that knife. There's an easy way of cutting that watermelon. Just put a bunch of rubber bands around it. I hope we're getting enough propane. Alright. Chicken legs coming for... Dead chicken coming for... Chicken legs coming for... Walking the concrete mile. Let's see here. I guess these take like 40 minutes to cook, so this is gonna take a while, guys. Oh, that's hot. You feel the heat. I gotta make sure I got enough room here. Oh. Alright. That's a lot of chicken legs. Like 20, maybe? Anyway, I'm gonna close that out. Let that cook. Gotta wash my hands. Let it cook for a little bit, and then we'll flip them.
I finally found it. So they need to be like rotated like every 5 minutes.
Every 5 minutes? I'm gonna be standing out there for like 45 minutes. Hey, what are those things called? Those were really popular like a few years back. What were those called? Alright, well, I got the chicken legs, I got corn on the cob. This is gonna have to stick out, I don't have enough room for everything. Wanna see what I'm gonna do with the chicken?
Dip the chicken. Oh, yes.
I'm gonna bake the chicken.
Happy little chicken.
Bake the chicken.
Don't touch that.
This is like an hot wall, guys.
Happy little chicken.
Feel the heat. Alright. Get there, guys. Look at all that. We're gonna cook in the barbecue sauce. So the barbecue sauce is gonna just soak into the meat, cook into the meat here. It's gonna be really good. Alright, so we're about done here. Look at that. Oh, it's your turn to do it. Well, okay, I'm out here cooking.
No, I am.
Okay, so I'm cooking, guys, and then Leland's gonna do the dishes. That seems fair, right?
Dishes, because I'm cooking.
So you want me to cook and do the dishes?
So I'm the one cooking.
You're not cooking.
Yeah, I'm obviously cooking.
Hey, I'm the one standing right here next to the grill. I'm the one flipping all this every 5 minutes.
No, I am.
Food takes 45 minutes to cook.
No, I am.
It's gonna be good, trust me.
Yeah, because I'm doing it.
But seriously though, no Xbox after dinner. You gotta do the dishes. You gotta do the dishes.
Oh, it's sat
And
on
then,
a
okay,
thorn.
once you're done with the dishes, then you can get on the Xbox.
It's sat on a thorn bush.
Alright, so I'm gonna
I know, right?
think these are done.
Yeah,
Look at that.
I know.
Are you guys about ready for dinner? Look at this. This looks good. Yeah, these are ready to go. Look at that.
Oh, it smells so good.
So hot, so hot.
I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good.
Alright, here comes the meat. Comes the chicken legs. Meat! Jesus Christ, we're still at only 1%. Alright, how's the food, you guys?
I haven't had a chance to try it yet. I've had the salad. The salad's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, the salad's really good.
Yeah, the chicken looks amazing. Running that up.
Okay.
Alright,
Are there chicken?
oh, that was good. What do you think, Leland?
Amazing.
I told you it would be good. You like it, Leanna?
Really good.
What do you think, Carol?
It's all very good.
Good.
Yummy.
Let's see where we're at. 66 seconds. Slow. So slow.
Mommy, where?
Well, thanks for dinner, Carol. I'm just bored right now, guys. I'm just walking out past.
Alright, so I found this new game on Xbox. It's called Knockout City. I'm playing right now. It's really fun. But I just don't want to do the dishes, honestly. They're stupid and annoying. I just want to keep playing Knockout City. The stupid dad keeps telling me to play or to do the dishes. I just want to play. I feel like I'm about to smash that stupid dishwasher soon, so, yeah. But I just want to keep playing this game. It's so fun. Like, seriously, it's amazingly fun. Like, there's so many stuff you can do in the game and everything. But, yeah, it's a really fun game. I honestly just want to keep playing it. I'm about to smash that stupid dishwasher.
So, school's out. We got these kids home now. Every day, Leland's on the Xbox he's playing Smash.
Sorry, one notification popped up. Let me take care of that. Sorry about that, everybody. Had to take care of that notification. I'm back now.
There's one of us that called Knockout City, and he's on that every day. So, Carol, what are we up to? What do we need to do?
I need him to do the dishes.
Who, Leland?
Yes.
Oh.
Look at all these.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's good point. Okay, so yeah, it's actually Leland's turn to do the dishes. Leanna's was doing it last week, so we switch off every week. Hey Leland,
What?
take a break from the video games. I need you to do the dishes.
No, please watch me.
No, okay, you can play this later. It'll take 10 minutes to do the dishes. I need you to do the dishes.
I hate the dishes.
No, come on.
Oh, maybe I'll do it.
No, Leland, I'm serious. I'm gonna turn the Xbox off if you don't listen. Now, come on, you gotta do the dishes. Yes, I will. Now, come on.
No.
Leland?
No.
Leland?
No.
I'm gonna turn the game off. Now, come on. It's your turn to do the dishes.
Stupid freaking dishes!
Leland, we all have to clean. I have to do yard.
You don't do the dishes.
I do yard work. Okay, unless you want to help me do yard work.
No, I just want to play Xbox.
Well, I want to play Minecraft too. Okay, it's your turn.
Well, Dad does it doing the dishes. I think you.
Well, I do other things. I take out the trash. Speaking of which, okay, no, not yet. Where are you going? Leland, dishwasher's out. Hey, come on, go. Put down the hammer! Leland, no! Leland! Stop!
This is stupid.
What the? You dented the dishwasher! Give me that hammer! No, Leland! Hold on. You are so grounded. You busted. He dented it. Leland! What are you doing to the dishwasher? My dishwasher! Leland!
Hold on, notification, hold on. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
No! Oh my God! You are go pick that up right now! Go pick that up! Leland, stop! Leland! Oh my God! Leland! Holy freaking crap, Leland! God, there's no dishes in that one! Oh! Leland! What are you doing? No! You are grounded! You put that back on the dishwasher right now. No! You are in such big trouble now, Leland.
Oh yeah?
You're in big trouble. You're grounded all summer.
What?
You go pick that. No, you're grounded. I'm serious. You're grounded all summer now. You're grounded all summer. And there's still dishes right there. You busted Mom's dishwasher. Hey! No, that is enough. You are grounded.
No, you.
Hold on, everyone. There's a hair on my screen. Let me get it. I think I got it. Sorry about that, everybody.
You are so grounded. I don't even. You ruined our dishwasher. Like, what is the A? What is this? What does that even mean?
Hey, Flinky Red, that's cool. Why did you do
You
that?
busted out dishwasher. You busted out dishwasher. Oh. That dishwasher's only 2 years old. That dishwasher's only 2 years old.
What was your brain?
Hey, go to you, Emma. I can't believe this. Leon completely destroyed our dishwasher. Carol's dishwasher. No, you pick up this mess. What are you doing now? No, put it back in the dishwasher where it belongs, Leland. Oh my God. Oh my. God dang it, guys. Busted dishwasher now. I'm trying to pick up the pieces.
I can't believe you broke the dishwasher, Dad. I can't believe you did this. Why do you look at it? You're not like you did it. It was like you catching it. You broke it. Yep, and I'll do it.
You're grounded. I'm serious. You're grounded. Go to you. Go to you. No more Knockout City.
What?
No more Knockout City.
You can't do that. You cannot do that for me.
You cannot destroy that. Hold on. I think I fixed it, Kel.
I don't think this anymore.
Thank you. Whatever. Dented. This is not how I wanted to spend my weekend, guys. More pieces over here. Swear to God. If we can see one, I can't believe this. I'm gonna carry all this.
That looks like it may be a two-hand job. A job for... It looks like it could be a job for two hands to pick that stuff up. You have to use both hands to carry it. And I'm not saying it to be mean or rude. I'm just saying this because it looks like... Because he's trying to carry it with one hand and he's got his camera in the other hand. That's all I'm trying to say. That's all. That's all I'm trying to say. That's all. I wasn't trying to be mean or rude. I was just speaking the truth. That's all. Let's get back to the video.
I'm just tired, guys. As a parent, as a stressed out parent, I'm just tired. I'm not even mad anymore. I'm just tired. Go to your room. Now, we're gonna try to put this back together. Hey, open the door. Open the door. Leon. You still crying here? Ow, God, it's pinching my fingers. We're gonna fix this. I don't care how. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix this. I'm done. I am done. I've had enough.
There's a fork on the floor over there.
I just don't care anymore. Ow! God! Right. Stinks in there. Alright, guys. So while I'm trying to figure out how to fix this dishwasher, while my head is in the dishwasher, I'm gonna shout out to your captains here. Khalid on some videos. James Bate, Aiden Jack, Eli Cooper, John Malkin, SM Star Miller, Transboy, Thomas Palmer, Adam Clark, Cowabunga Simpson, S. Kent. Yeah. Oh my God, it really stinks, guys. You have no idea. I can't fix this stupid dishwasher. Hello! I can't fix the dishwasher. We're gonna have to go to Home Depot, get a new dishwasher. Thanks a lot, Leland.
Yeah.
So let's just get in the van, I guess, and head to Home Depot.
Well, first I have to finish reading these names for our captains. We have Colson Simple, SMRJ, Patty Bruce Lane, Charlie Merlo, Northern Virginia Train, Barricade Detzer, Maxine Townsend, Blaine Tom, Evelyn Kano, and Thanos Donovan.
All right.
Thank you for being
guys.
captain.
Thank you for being part of the Oshitaka Mushroom Army and sign up as a captain. If you guys want to shout out, join the Mushroom Army and sign up as a captain.
Yep.
So let's go. Let's go.
Alright, hey guys, so my parents are going to get a new dishwasher, and honestly, it just felt really good destroying that. Such a relief. Hopefully they buy a better one next time, like they're about to leave and stuff. I just felt so good destroying that dishwasher. Hated that thing so much. But to celebrate my victory, I'm going to go ahead and ride my motorcycle.
Sorry, everybody. I was looking up at my computer like that. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video. Just checking to make sure it was still, the camera was still going. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
What are we doing now?
Well, now we're having to go to Home Depot to look for a new dishwasher because
This is not how I want to spend my day.
I mean, I know they put on sales and stuff this time of year, but my dishwasher was brand new. Our house is 2 years old.
Still fairly new.
Right, 2 years. It's not not want to buy new dishwashers.
Alright, well, there's Home Depot right over there, just off the exit here.
Go there.
Look how busy it is. Look at all those cars. God dang it.
Come over there. You're not buying any trees or anything.
I'm not even in the mood for trees.
Okay, good.
I'm not in the mood for mulch or dirt or trees or, I don't know, whatever else I get at Home Depot. I'm mad.
Can't believe we're having to do this. I can't believe he broke my dishwasher because he had to get off of the stupid Xbox. You know what? That Xbox. He thinks he can do that to my dishwasher. He better wait to see what I'm gonna do to that Xbox when I get home.
Oh! Alright, now I gotta find a place to park.
Let's see.
It's too busy.
We have to get one. How long is it gonna take to get it delivered?
I don't know. We gotta go pick one up though. Alright guys, so I guess I'm gonna go run into Home Depot here to go find a new dishwasher. It's not gonna be cheap. So anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Remember our videos are skits. Leland, well, he did break the dishwasher, but the dishwasher was already broken, guys. We were gonna get a new dishwasher anyway. So the moral of the story is, do not break your mom's dishwasher. She'll get mad at you.
Yeah, don't do that. And don't order an LG dishwasher. They don't last.
They suck.
They're brand new. It's only 2 years old.
Yeah, and it stopped working on us. I'll find out what happens next time when Taylor is going to get back at Leland.
Yeah, that Xbox, it's gone.
So be sure to check out whatever video pops up here.
Yeah, over there.
Yeah.
Over there, or is it over here?
I don't know. I'll just put it wherever you're pointing. Yeah.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And sorry about before I was looking up at my computer like this again. Sorry about that, everybody. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or Oshitaka Mushrooms channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlist. Give them a thumbs up. And share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. Please, everybody, please. Please, everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.